Hello friends, welcome to our channel Lovely Asvi. In this video, we are going to explore 31 important questions related to Lord Ganesha. Just this name brings so much joy to us. Lord Ganesha is one of the most important and prominent Devta for Hindus. Without doing his puja first, nothing auspicious work should not be started. There are innumerable points to know about Lord Ganesha. Come friends, now let us know few of them by taking Lord Ganesha mantra. Vakratunda Mahakaya Suryakoti Samaprabha Nirvignam Kurumi Deva Sarvakaryesu Sarvada. Now let's start. Lord Ganesha is born to which divine couple? Answer is Lord Shiva and Goddess Parvati. Why Ganesh Chaturthi is celebrated? Answer: to celebrate the birthday of Lord Ganesha. In which Hindu month Ganesh Chaturthi is celebrated? Answer: Bhadrapad. For how many days Ganesh Chaturthi is celebrated? Answer: 10 days. What does Lord Ganesha wear? Answer: Lord Ganesha is usually portrayed wearing red and yellow cloths. Yellow symbolizes purity, peace, and auspiciousness, sense control, and truthfulness. Red symbolizes the activity in the world. Thus, an individual should perform all duties in the world with purity, peace, and truthfulness. Which flower is for Lord Ganesha? All red colored flowers are dear to Lord Ganesha, but the saffron yellow flower named marigold is Lord Ganesha's favorite flower. Especially red genda or red marigold flowers are believed to please the Vinayaka greatly. Which animal is the vehicle of Lord Ganesha? Answer: mouse. Who broke Lord Ganesha's tusk? Answer: Parshuram. What is the Ganesha's name because of his broken teeth? Answer: Ekdanta. What is the weapon of Lord Ganesha? Answer: noose and goat. Which sweet most favorite to Lord Ganesha? Answer: Modak. Who are the wives of Lord Ganesha? Answer: Riddhi and Siddhi. Who are the sons of Lord Ganesha? Answer: Suk and La. Who is the elder brother of Lord Ganesha? Answer: Kartikeya or Murugan or Skanda. What does Lord Ganesha's large ear signifies? Answer: listen more and talk less. In which year Ganesh Chaturthi started? Answer: 1893. Which great patriot introduced and popularized Ganesh Chaturthi in India? Answer: Lokmanya Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Which of the plant is not used to worship Lord Ganesha? Answer: Tulsi. Which country has a Lord Ganesha photo on its currency note? Answer: Indonesia. Name any other three names of Lord Ganesha. Answer: Ganpati, Vinayaka, and Ekdanta. Which of the holy book is written by Lord Ganesha? Answer: Mahabharata. What is the idol of Lord Ganesha at Kolhapur called? Answer: Chinmaya Ganadhis. What is the height of statue of Lord Ganesha at Kolhapur? Answer: 85 feet tall. Who wrote the Aarti Sukhakarta Dukhaharta? Answer: Samat Ramdas. What is the trunk of Lord Ganpati signifies? Answer: the trunk of Lord Ganpati is always moving, and it means that one should always be active in life, always keep working. What is the small eyes of Lord Ganpati signifies? Answer. It is said that Ganpati Bappa's eyes are small, and small eyes mean that a person takes things very seriously and is also reflective. With this, the small eye tells that study everything deeply and only then a decision is taken. Such a person never cheats in life and the decision is absolutely right. What is the belly of Lord Ganpati signifies? Answer. It is said that Lord Ganesha's stomach is very big and it is considered a symbol of happiness, and big belly means to understand the good and bad things, that is, digest them properly and then give your decision. What is the Ekdant of Lord Ganpati signifies? Answer. Ekdanta means one teeth, teaches that we should use everything properly. Everything in life can be useful to you. What is the big forehead of Lord Ganpati signifies? Answer. It says that Lord Ganpati's forehead is big, and it means that a person with a big forehead is always intelligent. Ganpati's great forehead also tells that a person should always keep his thinking big. Only then he can achieve his status. Small thinking does not allow a person to move forward. Where is the biggest Lord Ganesha statue in the world? Answer. Khairtabad Ganesh is the tallest Lord Ganesh idol in the world, that is installed during Ganesh Chaturthi at Khairtabad, Hyderabad in India. Why do we worship Lord Ganesha first? Answer. Lord Shiva gave his son a new life with Gajasura's head. Seeing the love and devotion that his son Ganesha has towards him and Parvati, Lord Shiva blessed Ganesha and told devotees to worship Ganesha before starting any auspicious activity. Thank you friends watching my videos. Till then, bye.